Hey you, and welcome to this video where I'll help you out how to add social media links to YouTube video description. First of all, go to your channel, go to content and then click on the video where you want to add the social media links to. Then right now we go into description, do enter and write down social media. Then we do enter again and then right here we write something down like Instagram. Then from now we do one more space and then we go to Instagram and then we copy the link with just your name and the HTTPS link from Instagram. Then do right mouse click, do copy, then we go to our YouTube video and then we paste it right here with right mouse click and then go to paste. Right now we click here on save, and if we now go to our video and we check the description under the video, you will see exactly what we want, and that is this link. So right now here standing social media with Instagram, and then if you click here on this link, he will send us to our Instagram page. So this is exactly how this works. But what if you want to do this for every single video that you will upload? Then you go to content, right here to your videos, then go to settings, upload defaults, and then right now, if you can see, it's already standing here, but let's delete this because we want to create it by ourselves. So if we write down social media, then enter, and then I write down Instagram, space, then we copy this link again, right mouse click, copy, go back, and we paste it just right here, and then we do save. And right now, every single time when we will upload a video or social media link is standing right here. So these are the two options how to do this. Hopefully this was the video where you was looking for. Have a wonderful day and thanks for watching.